yes, it was my birthday at the weekend. Happy birthday to me. Happy, that's enough of that. Anyway, I suppose I should be making a cake, but I'm afraid I'm not going to. I'm going to make something else just as delicious. It's going to be a crème brûlée. Eggs, cream, sugar, all the things you shouldn't eat really. First let me show you the ingredients that we're going to use. 3 egg yolks, 50 grams of caster sugar, 50 millilitres of double cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a splash of whole milk. Now we take our pan and to this we can add the double cream and about 50 millilitres of whole milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, in that goes. Place this on the hob. When the milk has reached boiling point, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, we can add our sugar and our 3 egg yolks. And we're going to beat these with an electric mixer until they're really light and fluffy. Five minutes is up, so we bring our cream back to the boil. Now we pour the cream onto the egg mixture, making sure that we're mixing all the time. And as it begins to thicken, it's because the eggs are cooking slightly, which is a good thing. So here we go. I've transferred the mixture back into a jug, just going to make it a bit easier for me to pour into some ramekins. We can fill these up to about 2/3 full. It's only made 5. Still, there are 4 of us, so a spare one for me. After all, I deserve it, it was my birthday. Now we take a large roasting tray, place our ramekins in there, and my sneaky one. Place the bain-marie into the centre shelf of your oven, gas mark 2, for about 40 minutes, until it starts turning to custard. Firstly, a light sprinkling of caster sugar, and take our blowtorch and start in one position, and as soon as the sugar starts to caramelise and go brown and crispy, then move it around because you don't want it to burn. But there we go. Finished. It looks good, but does it taste good? We'll soon find out. Oh, hear the crunch? That is just so tasty. Well, thanks for watching my latest video and watching me enjoy my latest food. It was a birthday video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed making it. And I've enjoyed the ending. So I'll see you again next time. Bye everybody.